Here is the question for us. Whenever const objects, so this object is of the type of const, try to invoke non-const member function. So const object is trying to invoke non-const member functions. The compiler will produce a return 0 value, option number A, return null, option value B. Next option value is C here, return no value, and generate error. So we are having 4 options there. So let us go for one sample coding before answering this question. So here is the coding for us. Here you can find that we have defined one class point, and under the public section we are having one display method, and display method is non-const because I didn't write const here. So now int main point object is p1 dot display. I'm calling this method and return 0. So now if I go for this execution, so I'm doing the compilation. So compilation output would be quite okay. Now we shall go for the execution of the code. Here we have defined one non-const object point p1, and from here we are calling this non-const method, that is the display. You can find here the executing this message is getting printed. This string has got printed. That means the display method could be accessed. Now I'm making this one as const. So if I make this one as const, so it is a const object. Now I want to see that where from this const object, whether can I call this non-const method or function or not. So in that case, I'm just going for this compilation. It is showing that error is there. So error is getting generated. So from here we are getting this idea that from the const object, if I want to access non-const member function, then error will be generated by the compiler. So I shall go back to my question. So I shall go for this option, that is the generate error. So I shall put the tick on the option number D.